Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and today we have our Ipsy Glam Bag X to unbox today. I paid for this myself, it's not sent to me, just so you know. And Halsey actually helped curate this box, so I'm assuming one of her products from her brand About Face will be in here. I'll save this for, because this is the only box from Ipsy you get anything that tells you how much something is worth in the box. So the first thing, this is from Define Me. It's the Kahana Aquamarine Crystal Infused Natural Perfume Mist. Where did I just see something else? Maybe Ulta, I think I saw these. Oh, how cute, look. So it has like little crystals at the bottom. And now, I don't want to confuse you guys. I am not someone who has crystals to charge. I don't do that. Ooh, that's nice, actually. So Kahana inspires relaxation, mindfulness, and a feeling of being transported to a tranquil place. Scent wave includes hibiscus, delicate pink pepper, coconut water, white orchid, santal, and blonde woods. Natural, organic, and clean ingredients. That's fun. And for every bottle, $1 goes to educational scholarships for young women in developing countries. That's so nice. Karma with a nice smell. Ooh, that actually is really nice. But it's definitely one of those scents that a little will go a long way, so don't go like this. Like, I have perfumes that I love so much and that the scents are not subtle, but so delicate that like I can go crazy and it won't make me feel like shit. This is not gonna be one of those. This is the, what is this? Low Recipe Watermelon Glow Hyaluronic Clay Pore Tightening Facial. Pore refining and exfoliating. This is a facial in a jar. Shrinks the look of pores, dual exfoliates, surges skin with moisture, ideal for all skin types. Whipped hyaluronic clay combines kaolin, which is great if you have like breakouts, with hyaluronic acid for moisture to minimize the look of pores while hydrating skin. Watermelon enzymes, PHA, and willow bark chemically exfoliate and decongest pores and smooth the look of texture while gentle blueberry physically exfoliate skin. Okay, so how to use on cleansed skin. On cleansed, what is my problem? Lou, what is my problem? Apply a generous amount all over the face, rinse with warm water after 5 minutes. Use daily. Slight tingling may be experienced. I'm gonna see if it smells, because I think I might actually use it today. I'm gonna see if it smells like watermelon, because it's one of my favorite smells. That and banana. And coffee. I smell a hint of watermelon, but nothing like crazy. I didn't hate it, but like I didn't love this. I still have some left, and I'm gonna actually leave it out because it's good for like summertime, because that's when my skin gets most oily. But all right, the next is from Herbivore Emerald Deep Moisture Glow Oil. Take your skincare ritual higher with Emerald Deep Moisture Glow Oil. Okay, a few drops are like a warm hug for your skin. Calms, soothes, nourishes, and moisturizes, and even protects from environmental aggressors. With hemp seed oil, fatty acids, vitamin C, squalane, turmeric root, and ashwagandha for benefits. Ooh, it has a slight, what does that smell? I don't know what that smell is, but it smells really nice. Maybe it's the hemp. Apply approximately 2 to 8 drops to cleanse skin. Massage in. Use daily for best results. No, please, no. What did we just talk about? Please pick that up and put it away. All right, the next thing is from Saints and Sinners. This is the Velvet Divine Leave-In Conditioner. I think I picked it. I don't even know why I keep after saying this. Who cares if I picked it? I actually don't see this anywhere on here. Okay, I don't see this on here. This is a leave-in conditioner. Ideal for all hair types. Adds shine, eliminates frizz, protects color, and adds moisture. Although my tip for leave-in conditioners is just because it has a pump doesn't mean you have to spray it in your hair. In my opinion, it works best and it leaves less buildup in your hair if you spray a pump or two on your hands, rub like this, and then kind of finger comb it through. I think it works best. I don't know how much this is. I can't find this in this paper. All right, the next is from Fenty, and this is the Full Frontal Volume Lift Mascara. This retails for $24, and it's a mascara. And I will not be opening it because I don't use mascara. At least not enough to open stuff. The next is from a brand that I actually really love. They make one of my absolute favorite highlighters. The Ather Beauty Supernova Crushed Diamond Highlighter in Pure Diamond Dust. This is one of the most incredible highlighters ever. Like, it just leaves this amazing wet looking sheen on your skin. It's divine and it's gorgeous. You get a ton. And I also have one of their palettes, their eye palettes. This is the Moonlight Crystal palette. I'm assuming it's, yeah, it looks like it's mostly, oh, how cute. You get like little, what's that word that I'm thinking of? Not meditation, maybe like for meditation? I don't know. Inspirational cards, who knows. This retails for $58. and it looks like it's a purple based. Oh, well, not too crazy purple based. So their big thing is like vegan, sustainable packaging, all that stuff. But their shadows are very like much more pigmented than I thought they were going to be. Like I jumped to the conclusion like, oh, this is vegan, it's crystal infused, this isn't gonna be good. But their palette, I think it's the rose quartz or summer solstice maybe, gorgeous. So I'll definitely try this. And you know what? And it's nice because it's like all this entire package can be thrown in like your recycling bin. It's all like cardboard. So we have some mattes, we have some metallics. As most of you know, I don't really care about metallics, but I do want to see, oh, this teal. Oh, even the purple, which is kind of hard to go with. And I'm really not like a huge purple fan, but I really like this brand, so maybe this will turn me into a purple fan, who knows. Next, oh, this is from her brand. This is the Light Lock Highlight Fluid from About Face. Fight or Flight is the name of it. Ugh, I hope it's a good shade. So this is a highlight liquid. All right, so it does look on the pink side, but not that iridescent pink that just looks pink. This kind of just looks, maybe I'll try some, whatever. I am wearing highlighter right now, but it's not like crazy severe. Okay, so it's not like straight pink, but it's very like silvery looking. I'll definitely keep this and use it because it is very pretty. That is also like a nice formula. Like it's not too oily or greasy or anything or liquidy, and it actually looks really nice, all smoothed out. Like looks like that glassy gloss skin. And there's one more item in here that I'm really excited about. It's from Kimchi Beauty. Ugh. I don't love all of their things, but I've really wanted to try their like blush duos, and this is in the shade #1 Pinky. I missed out on the ColourPop like heart blushes, so I really wanted to try this. So this is very, very pretty. They have like a straight pink on one side, like a slightly rosier pink on one side, and then you mix them together and it'll be, ooh, and it's matte. I love that. Ooh, damn, that's pigmented, Jesus. So honestly, there's not much I'm not excited about. Maybe just the mascara and like the hair stuff, because crap about hair stuff, clearly. But I'm really excited about the rest, and I will absolutely update you guys and let you know how everything works out. But there's a bunch of other things in here that you could have gotten that I wish I would have gotten. Like the new company face cleanser, because I really liked their toner that I got, or their serum that I got. Or you could have gotten the About Face Light Lock powder, so like a highlighting powder. This Volition Beauty Glow Awakening moisturizer right here, like there's a bunch of cool things in here, and I wish I would have gotten more of them. But yeah, I thought that was a really good box, and I think these boxes in particular are, sometimes I feel like they're more worth it than their regular boxes, because I feel like half the time with the regular boxes, first off, they don't give you the price list anymore, which annoys me to no end. And I don't know, I just feel like there's so many repeats with all the boxes. I'm just kind of confused. So yeah, that was it. Let me know what you guys got in your Glam Bag X for the month of August. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.